A very good morning to all of you kids and welcome in English class. Students, today is Wednesday and the date is 10 November 2021. Students, we are learning the exercises of the chapter Art Tree. So today we will do the remaining exercise from your workbook. Students, we have already done its question answer and now on page number 52 of your workbook we will do the multiple choice questions. So first B question is tick the correct answers. Multiple choice questions. You have to tick the correct answer for a question. So your first question is what did the bird eat? What did the bird eat? So in the chapter, what did the bird eat? Your option A is a berry, B a banana, C a orange and D a seed. So in the chapter, the bird eat a berry. So you have to tick option A. Now next, turn to the page number 53. Second question is which season has come now? आजकल कौन सा सीजन है? समर A, B विंटर, C रेनी, D ऑटम. It's winter season. So you have to tick option B. Third one is the tree had long leaves, trunk, roots and these branches. The tree had long branches. Yes. So you have to tick the D option. Fourth one is the caterpillar had dash legs. The caterpillar has A long, B tiny, C strong, D ripe. The caterpillar had tiny legs. Tiny means छोटी छोटी legs होती हैं caterpillar की. So option B is correct. So now we will do question number D, not question number C. We will skip this question number C. Next is question number D. State true and false. You have to read the statement and you have to write T for true. If the statement is true, then if the statement is false, then you have to write F for this statement. So let me read it. First statement is a little plant was born from the seed. Yes, जो छोटा प्लांट होता है वो किससे पैदा होता है? सीड से. So it is true. So you have to write here T. So write T. Now turn to the page number 54. Next page. Second is when it rains the children run. जब बारिश होती है तो बच्चे भाग गए. Yes, in the poem we read that when it rains the children run. So it is true. So you have to write here T. Next, now there are crawling ants and spiders webs on the tree. Yes, अब जो है वो उसमें उस ट्री पर आंट्स क्रॉल कर रही थी और स्पाइडर्स ने अपने वेब बना लिए थे. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. नेक्स्ट इज द ट्री डू नॉट हैव फ्रूट्स. द ट्री डू नॉट हैव फ्रूट्स. इट्स रॉन्ग. ट्री पर फ्रूट्स नहीं होते. नो. सो इट्स फॉल्स. उसमें तो बहुत से फ्रूट्स लगे थे. नेक्स्ट, देयर आर नॉट मैनी थिंग्स ऑन आर ब्यूटिफुल ट्री. देयर आर नॉट मैनी थिंग्स ऑन आर ब्यूटिफुल ट्री. नो, इट्स ऑल्सो फॉल्स बिकॉज जो ट्री है उस पर तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी. यहाँ पर राइट किया है कि वहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं थी. तो वहाँ पर तो बहुत से थे. बहुत से एनिमल्स के हाउसेस थे. वहाँ पर मंकीज थे, ऑल थे, जो बहुत सी चीज़ें उस पर थी. स्विंग्स थे. सो इट इज़ फॉल्स. So you have to write here F for this statement. Next we will skip this question, question number E, and now we will do the question number F. Question number F is match the animals with their homes. Here are in column A there are given some names of animals, and in second column there are the names of their houses. Okay, so you have to read first the name of animal and home. You have to match it. Horse. Where do horse live? Horse live in stable. So you have to match horse with stable. Yes, like this. Next is bee. You know where bee live? Bee live in hive. So you have to match bee with hive. Next is tiger. Tiger live in lair. L-A-I-R, lair. So you have to match it. Next is sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Sheep live in pen. Like this. Okay. Next is dog. Dog live in kennel. So you have to match dog with kennel. Next is pig. Pig live in sty. Sty, S-T-Y, sty. Next is spider. Spider live in web. So you have to match it with web. Next is mouse. Mouse live in hole. Okay. Next is owl. Owl live in tree, on a tree. Next is lion. Lion live in den. So you have to match these animals with their home like this. So students, you have to complete question B, D and F from your workbook, page number 52, 3 and 4. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.